We are currently on the way to a place to possibly get a couple more animals for the farm. She's dropping. She's gonna have babies any day. Hi. Aw. Hello everybody. We left the farm today, me and Greg, and baby Lilac, she's in the back there. She's almost asleep. Lavender is with my mom for the day. They went to the farmer's market. We came to Bangor to go to a goat presentation thingy. So we learned about milk testing and linear appraisals, which was pretty cool. We picked up a few things that we definitely didn't know about. On the way there, we also got some muffins in Hamden at the what cafe?
Coffee Break Cafe.
The Coffee Break Cafe. We pretty much destroyed them, but they're delicious. Best muffins ever. If you're ever in the area, I highly recommend them. We are currently on the way to a place to possibly get a couple more animals for the farm for rodent control. I'm pretty excited about it. So I will, there's a baby, Lilac. So I will update you guys on how that goes and what that is if we end up getting something. Hi. Aw. So we got a couple barn cats. Hi, babies. In Maine, there's quite a few feral cat rescues. So they take cats that really can't be homed anywhere else because they're not really friendly, and they place them in barn homes. We just picked up two. So they like to be in pairs, and this is a bonded pair too, so she didn't want to separate them. It's a male and a female. So we're gonna try to set up a crate for them inside the barn. They say that it's best to crate them for a couple of weeks to a month so that they don't just like run off. We're gonna make sure that they're covered with a blanket. They've got food, water, a litter box, and hopefully they'll help us with our rat problem. No, I don't think so. Yeah. Do you mind bringing the litter box and stuff down? Yeah. Should I put the litter box back there, or should I put it? Look what we got, girls. Water? Yeah. Yeah. Those ducks. Yep. Escape. All right. So Mavis is the female. She kind of looks like she's part Maine Coon. And then Curry is a little black and white male that was bonded to her. And I think he's only a couple months old. He's pretty young. Hi, babies. Hello, babies. Do you want a treat? No. Are you growling at me? Yeah.
Think you can bring that over there and give it a quick rinse?
Yeah. All right. It's so hard. I've never gotten cats before that were that weren't friendly. Yes. I've never had not friendly cats before. Here you go. Babe. I want her to be my friend. Oh, she's not a happy kitty. But you see how she's getting hollow up in the top like that? She's dropping. She's gonna have babies any day. She could pop babies out any day. Hey, stink bug. All right, I'm gonna get the baby inside, and I'm gonna go snack because I'm hungry.